These days, almost everyone wants to learn robotics, and with good reasons too. These skills are going to be critical for the jobs of the future. But more importantly, they end up nurturing much more talented individuals and just overall better citizens of the world. I cover the details of why one should learn robotics in a separate video. The link to that video can be found in the description below. If you have really decided you want to start your innovation journey, but you are still a little afraid that these might be difficult skills to learn, then today I'm here to bust that myth completely and tell you how easy it has become today in 2023 to learn these skills. Hi, my name is Tarun. I am the founder and CEO of Avishkar, and today I'll be talking about Avishkar's easy to use hardware kits that can be used to learn robotics. When we talk about building robots, the image that comes to our mind are mechanics, electronics, and engineers using power tools like drill machines, grinders, cutters with metals, sparks flying across. Well, that's no longer the case. Building robot has become very easy with a number of modular robotics kits for kids available in the market. Avishkar is one such brand which I started many years ago to create such child-friendly robotic kits. Over the last many years, we have built multiple series of robotics kits, starting with our mech series, which comes with plastic construction blocks that kids can use to build the mechanism for different bots, and then easily connect motors, LEDs, and a brain to them to get them to work. And for the more serious innovators and the hobbyists, we have our ER series robotics kits, which come with large 12.5 inches metal parts, different types of motors, sensors, programmable brains, capable of connecting 5 sensors and 4 motors at a time. Robots made using both the above series can then be controlled through a mobile app, programmed using your desktop browser, and even be powered with AI to detect hand gestures, body poses, face expressions, and different images. Making technology skills easy to learn for kids is the very mission with which we started Avishkar. So head to our shop page through the link in the description below if you're interested in exploring these award-winning products and online courses that make learning robotics, coding, AI, IoT, and electronics a whole lot fun. #Dare to Innovate.